Hello everybody, we have a new addition to the collection. I bought this thing off a marketplace for $60. It was $100, but I got him down, and it is Diplomat, and it is a triple chime as well. And this thing is beautiful. Weight drive, so you pull chains every 8 days to wind it, and I will set it off. I will set off the full chime on, it's the St. Michael full chime. Sounds really nice. It is missing a little mounting bracket for the movement. I don't think you can see it, but it's not in there. But it holds the movement down. So it was kind of just flopping around in there, so not good. But it works, I got it all fixed. It's been going all day as well. And it sounds really nice. I'm gonna stop the pendulum there. And yeah, just pull the chains once every 8 days. And I do believe this one needs to be heavier. As you heard, it was striking the hour pretty dang slow. Here's the dial. You got the little designs on there. And then the flowers. And then the brand Diplomat. And then the moon dial. This moon dial is really cool. Because, I mean, it has a ship here, and then on the other side is a windmill. Yeah. But yeah, it's really, really pretty. It's a really nice clock. It does have this little chip in it. He gave us this piece of wood right here. I just put it there, and it stayed. So, it's pretty funny. Yep. I'll put that back later. But, yeah. Sounds really good. Looks great, too. Triple chime, Whittington, St. Michael, and Westminster. Or you can just put it on silent. Whichever one. But I will have it on St. Michael or Whittington. I believe that's all for this video. And next one, I'll try and turn it around. Because whenever I bought this thing, these chains were not in. And I had to put them in. So I'll show you how to do that next video. And thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.